Yeah. Welcome back to another cat video, and I really don't know what's going on in this, what's it, abandoned shop, or it was very freaky for me, and I'm gonna come back tomorrow and make sure that these cats got some food. A neighbor came out and said they need treatment and the lady will come at 6 o'clock tonight. Unfortunately, I can't make it at 6 o'clock tonight, but I will be back there at 9 o'clock tomorrow morning and check. If they're not alright, I will have to take some kind of action. I mean, I was shocked to see these little friends locked up, and can kind of hear the little bit calling for help. And really terrible to be going around giving snacks out, and then I spot this. So fingers crossed something changed by tomorrow. I'm not going to be here for too much longer. So like I said to the missus, in the case they're still locked up and I can see nobody open the door, because I did put a little James Bond stick in the keyhole that should be missing if somebody came. So in case nothing happened and they're still suffering tomorrow, I think I'll bring out a little lockpick and open that door and let them all run. Better than see them suffering in there. And after this little tragic story, let's see some happy cats get some food around the town today. After this, we really enjoyed meeting lots of happy animals. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Don't forget to smile.
I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart.